Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this 4K dual dash cam. This has a 3.69 inch IP screen with GPS included. Alright, so right here we got our 4K dash cam. This one has night vision, WDR, and HDR. It has got G sensor, parking modes, time lapse, recording, built-in Wi-Fi GPS, 4K front, and a 1080 back camera. So it says right here it is a 4K Wi-Fi app, G sensor collision, 3.7 IPS, viewable angle, GPS logger, auto tracking. So the front camera is a 4K, the rear camera is a 1080p. It does have night vision. So let's jump into the box. First off, you can see that the box is really nice. It doesn't show that it is cheap. It is a really nice box. So first off, we're going to pull this off and we're going to open it up. So you do get foam, so it is very well packaged. You don't have to worry about it breaking. So we do have our instructions manual kit right here as a user guide. This basically just tells you where to place the back camera, the front camera, what accessories you do get included in this. So also in here you do get those little stickers. Like I said, they go on your windshield, so it's easy to remove. So that's the stickers right here in front of the back camera and the front camera. So you get two of these ones, so you could place them in the front as well as the back window, so it's easier to pop out. So this is the rear camera. This has a sticky thing and it is rotatable, so it does connect to the front camera, and it has a really nice size cable, so enough to reach with your connected USB. And we also got a car charger, so it does have a USB port as well as a Type-C. So here is your Type-C and USB. You get both of those in just one little plug. And then right here is the dash cam. We're just going to put this to the side, and we're going to open up this box. Right here is where all the accessory is, especially the charging wire. You get your little tool to put it around your car. So just pop this right out. It's got a nice sleek box, so we're just going to pop this out, open up, and see what other accessories we do get with this. So first off in here, we do see that we do get the wires. So it also connects to the back camera, so you've got the front and back, and then this is the GPS that also connects into the front camera. It has a USB port right here. You just plug that in, there's the GPS. So it does have tracking with this. It does have a 60-degree rotatable bracket and a 360-degree rotatable rear camera. So this one here is a Type-C and a USB. So you get one that goes from your camera all the way to the plug in your car. You get the little tool. So this little piece here goes into the rear camera, and then here's a tool for around your car. So now we're going to get into the dash cam, which is the front. So this dash cam is equipped with a UHD 3840 by 2160 front camera, and it has an FHD 1080p rear camera. It utilizes the 6 glass lens and a 1.8 aperture. Is accurately and quickly capture images of license plates without blurring. You can effortlessly manage wireless dash cam recordings on your Android or your iPhone with a dedicated app. You simply easy to set it up. You just configure it to all your dash cam settings within the app. You can share journeys seamless with friends. All you got to do is post it to your social media or whatever you want to use it to. You can safely preserve the memories. It is advanced WDR and HDR that has super night vision technology. This 4K dash cam allows you to record clear and vibrant videos, footage even in the low light, challenging lighting conditions. You don't have to worry about struggling to see important details during the nighttime driving or under glaring sunlight. So this one here is rotatable, the top part, so I'm just plugging it into a regular power block because I don't have it into my dash. You can see it has a really nice screen and it is very clear image. So now I'm going to do is go and get some image for you so you can see the clarity of this camera. this is a very nice dash cam. It does really nice videos. If you're interested in a nice dash cam, I'd highly recommend checking this one out. I like the fact that it has 2 cameras, so you not only have the front covered, you also got the rear one to cover the rear end, and it also has a GPS enabled to track your location.